Alright guys, so yan na. Paalis na kami. Pababa na guys. Yan o. Kaya ito ang room namin, number 15. Yan. Yan, ito ang number namin, 15. Ito na room. Tapos ito yung lock key. Yan. Ang lock key nito ay 15, 20, 23. Yan. Okay. Kaya kung mag-check-in kayo dito, 1523 ang code. Alright guys. So ito na. Pauwi na kami ng Isle of Man. Tapos na ang 5 araw na holiday namin. 4 na gabi. Bye-bye. Pero, maingay. Nagtugtog sila dyan guys. Maingay kasi. Alright guys, yeah, pauwi na ako ng Isle of Man. May dinaanan lang ako dito sa mall. Yan. Pakyat pa rin tayo guys. Ayan, pakyat pa rin. Ayan o. Meron tayo dito. At meron tayong bibilihin bago tayo uwi ng Isle of Man. Okay, so yan guys, so dito na tayo sa taas. Makyat na tayo dito sa taas. Yan o. Dito tayo sa may Primark, Liverpool. Yeah. Alright guys, magbabayad tayo. So, kuha tayo ng short pang tulog. Mura lang ito guys. Pang tulog. Pang tulog lang guys. Okay. No problem. You want me to include you?
Oh, no, you me, my friends, yeah.
Alright, okay. Shout out dito sa mga taga Liverpool. Shout out to the people here at Liverpool. Yeah. Yahoo! Thank you very much. Right. See ya.
Bye!
Alright. Alright guys, so dito tayo sa Liverpool at pagbayad natin ay may gustong manood sa ating video, kaya pina-subscribe ko siya, so sabi niya gusto daw niya manood at makita, kaya nandun. Nakalimutan ko kung ang pangalan niya. Alright guys, dito tayo sa Los. Yan o, tignan nyo guys, ang ganda. Oh, mga cups pala dito. Ayo, wow, may mga ganda guys. Mga flowers, yan. Wow, 15 pounds yan o, fresh flowers. Wow, 20 pounds yan. Ang mahal ano, yan lang o, 20 pounds. Ito 25 pounds yan. Grabe mga flowers guys. Flower shop pala to. Flower shop. You want flowers?
No, I was looking because it smells really nice in here.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's nice, this one. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Look, a flower shop. Okay, look at me. This is my daughter. Oh, look alike.
Hi.
Ganda guys. Ganda. Dito tayo papasok tayo dito guys. Ito, mga flowers. So, dami. Different kind of flowers ito. Parang, eggs. Oh, it's fresh. Oh, it's fresh.
Yeah, that's ice.
Wow, that's nice. What is this? A fresh is scalp mask.
Yeah. Face
Scalp mask. Oh, what is this? We can eat that one.
No.
We can't.
Shower jelly.
Shower jelly. Yeah. Oh, dear me. Right, okay. Wow, how about this? What is this for? Food.
No, it says goes on your face, not on your mouth.
Oh, this is for the face.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Don't eat any of these.
All right. So this is for the face. Goes on your face, not in your mouth.
Yeah.
Wow. Red. Oh, wow. So different flavor, different
Different smells.
smell. Yeah. Different smell. That is different smell. That one as well. That one. What is this? Like a. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look, there's lemon flavor. Lemon smell. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is black currant. Oh,
Blueberry.
blueberry. This is a blueberry smell. That is cocoa smell. All right. Different kind of smell. Wow. Oh, if you want to clean your face, you can use this one. If your face is dirty, you can use it. Anything you want in here. Facial soap. Look at that.
Oh wow.
What is this?
It's hard.
Hard. It's hard. Yan. Kung gusto mong magpatanggal ng mga kagit sa mukha, dito lang gagamitin. Yung ginagamit ito, sabon. Ano to? This is soap.
Yeah,
Sabon.
facial cleanser.
Facial cleanser. Oh, there we go. Facial cleanser. Okay. Yeah. Dami pala dito, guys.
Even in upstairs.
You can go upstairs as well.
Upstairs or there.
Yeah. Wow.
This is body care.
This is Stikol, unprotected. Tested on human, neighbor, on animals. Wow. There we go. Okay. So what is this for? Cleansing your face. Yeah. Wow. Okay. That's good. Nice one. Okay, we're gonna go around here now, guys. Thank you very much. If you wash your hands in here, this is the flower bombshell. Okay. Right. This is my daughter. There you go. Alright guys, so ito na si Pelmangs naglalakad-lakad dito na sa Liverpool. Ayan. Ngayong araw ay last din natin dito sa Liverpool. So maya-maya punta na tayo doon sa pier at pauwi tayo na Douglas Alaman. Okay. Alright guys, dito na tayo. Ngayon sa may Radio City Tower ng Liverpool. Ito. Napakataas ito guys. Dito ako sa baba. Yan. Playhouse. Oh. Taas ito guys. Dito ako sa baba niya. Ang daming mga kalapati dyan ako napapakain. Yan. Dito ako ngayon Sa gitnaan. Yes. Taas ito ng tower of Radio City. 96.7. And guys, dito ako ngayon. Ikot tayo dito. Yan ang taas. Mataas masyado lang guys. Pasok ako dito sa Taylor Swift. Oh, Taylor Swift. The Tortured. Wow. Dito ako ngayon sa Taylor Swift. Mga album. Ito guys, oh. May music doon. Dito tayo. Para walang music. Hindi. May music guys. Dito guys, oh. Sale dito, oh. Mga kwan. Hi guys. What you got?
I'm looking at the bottle.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, guys, ang dami-dami mabili dito guys. Look at that. This one. No black.
No, blue or green.
What is good?
It's up to you. Blue or green?
Yeah.
Which one do you prefer?
Alright guys, ito na. Andito na kami sa Liverpool. Ayan. Dito na. Okay. Lakad-lakad lang kami guys. Ang kintab ng tangko guys. Yan o, yan si Kent. Kent, where's my Kent? Oh, wow, wow. Yan o. Look, Crystal, buy this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is that? Taylor Swift?
No, it's not Taylor.
Oh, how is that?
It's Sabrina Carpenter.
Brina.
Yeah. The new album comes out next week.
Okay. Brina Carpenter.
Sabrina.
Sabrina.
Yeah. Carpenter.
Okay, Sabrina.
Carpenter.
What's this? Singular?
Yeah.
Sabrina Carpenter. Sabrina Carpenter.
Oh my God.
Wow. Yeah. Sabrina Carpenter.
Sabrina Carpenter.
Yahoo.
Yahoo.
How this boy?
No.
Brian Adams?
No. Not you, Dad.
What is your favorite actor? And Taylor Swift?
No.
Who is your favorite actor?
I'm a favorite actor. I don't watch movies.
You don't watch movies.
No.
So what is your favorite artist?
Artist.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Me.
Yeah. That's
All right. Tawa lang guys. Patawa lang guys. Alright guys. So dito na. Alright guys. So dito na tayo sa may Krispy Kreme. Ayan. Magbili tayo ng Krispy Kreme. Bibili tayo ng Krispy Kreme donut. Pose. Krispy Kreme donut. Hello. Hi. I'm looking for dozen donuts. Oh, okay.
Would you like 2 seats?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'll grab you now. You see there.
Alright guys, ito na, nakabili na tayo. Yan. Paano man ito? Bakit hindi mag-plaster? Krispy Kreme guys. Sinong gusto? Kuha lang. Krispy Kreme, pampasalubong sa mga gustong kumain. Ganun lang yun. Yan o. Diba guys? Krispy Kreme. Okay. Happy day. Isle of Man, yeah. Are you going there this coming weekend? There. Yeah.
No, what's up?
There is Grand Prix.
Nice.
Nice one. Here.
Where do you come from?
Philippines.
Bloody hell, all the way to go to the Isle of Man, yeah?
Yeah.
Where about the Philippines?
And Mindanao.
So my friend lives in Cebu.
Cebu. Ah, that's good. That one in Cebu.
It's a nice island.
Yeah, that is nice island. By the way, Philippines is all island, by the way.
How many islands?
Yeah, it's like 100 islands.
Wow.
Yeah.
So have you been to the UK before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We stay here in Isle of Man like 20 years now.
Okay.
It's quite long. The kids is born all there.
You like the Grand Prix, do you?
Yeah. We're going to Philippines. We're going to Isle of Man now, guys. Going home. Sunny day. Nice one. This is good. That is the museum. Have you been to Philippines?
No, I've been to Malaysia,
Malaysia, yeah.
been to Thailand,
Yeah.
Vietnam,
Okay.
Cambodia,
Yeah.
but never to the Philippines.
Try it. Go there. You got friends over there.
Well, he's just building a house now in Cebu.
Yeah, that's good. That one. Yeah.
When he's finished,
You can go.
I'm gonna go and stay with him.
That's good.
I'll
Yeah.
come to your house as well.
Yeah. No problem. Why not?
So how long are you in the Isle of Man for?
20 years now.
So you live in the Isle of Man?
Yeah.
You've been back to the Philippines?
We just go there for holiday.
Holiday.
Yeah.
And how often do you come to Liverpool?
2 days. 3.
Come to Liverpool
Yeah.
quite often?
Yeah. This is often. Not too much. Yeah, because we are work all in Isle of Man.
What do you do in the Isle of Man? Do you have a business?
Yeah. Now I work in engineering.
Engineering.
Yeah.
And in the Isle of Man, is there many people from the Philippines? Or is it only a small community?
It's a lot of people in the Philippines than in Isle of Man. Isle of Man is, yeah. Isle of Man is like 96,000 people.
Okay, and a lot of Filipinos.
Yeah. But the population in the Filipino in Isle of Man is like 3,000 maybe.
Okay, that's quite a lot.
Yeah,
isn't
it's a lot now. Yeah.
it? That's good.
Yeah.
Go to Costco and get loads of food.
Yeah, before we go to cheap food, yeah.
So there's no Costco in
No Costco in Isle of Man.
Isle of Man's quite expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quiet because it's the island, you know.
Yeah, everything has to be shipped in.
Yeah, ship in all. It's like nearly the double the price.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. The meat the same.
Really?
Yeah.
That's no good, is it?
It's no good.
Can I give you the... So this is my business.
You got a WhatsApp number here.
So they come into with the boat,
Yeah.
pick them up and take them around the city.
Oh, that's
or to the airport.
yeah, that's good. That one is good.
You could pass that on for me for everyone who's coming over.
Yeah. Your name is
I'm
James.
James,
Yeah.
my business.
Oh, that's good. That one. Home James Travel. 1. How many Mercedes you got?
3.
3. Wow.
And we have a minibus as well.
Oh, you got a bus as well. That's good.
You just need to buy a boat.
That's good. Huh?
You can save the Isle of Man. So if your friends are on Instagram,
Yeah.
ask them to add us.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. I'll do that.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
The last kid alien whether he's looking over his shoulder currently.
Nice, it is.
But it's a lovely
Wow.
thing you're doing. As we said, Rossendale Hospice you'll be raising money for. And a GoFundMe page has been set up, guys, isn't it? Where can... Brilliant. Okay, we'll put that up on Hawksby and Jacob's Twitter feed, so people we'll put a link as well. George, thanks for joining us. George, thank you, Paul, for joining us. So,
All right.
also, great story pre-season is that Richie the cat, Richie Vegas.
Okay. Alright guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa may Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. Yan yung Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. Pauwi na ako ng Isle of Man. So dyan yung terminal ngayon, Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. At yan, ikot ko kayo dito. Yan. Yan, malaking building dito guys, oh. Yan, malaking building. Taas na building yan guys. Yan. Ito. Yan guys. Ito yung yan, mayroon boat doon guys. Yan, oh. Mayroong boat doon. Yan. Okay guys. Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa may ferry, Isle of Man Ferry Terminal. Pauwi na tayo ng Isle of Man. Kaya dito guys, pansin nyo yan, ikot tayo dito, ikot-ikot lang para makita nyo yung kagandahan ng Liverpool.